Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Obsidian on your phone. This is a note-taking app that saves everything as plain text files so you actually own your notes. Let's jump right in. Once it opens, it's going to ask you to either open an existing vault or create a new one. If this is your first time, just tap Create New Vault. Now here's the thing. A vault is just a fancy word for a folder where all your notes live. So go ahead and name it whatever makes sense to you. I'll just call mine My Notes. On iPhone, you'll get the option to save this straight to iCloud, which is great because it keeps things backed up automatically. On Android, it'll ask where to store it. I'd recommend picking your phone's internal storage instead of an SD card since that tends to be more reliable. It might pop up asking for permission to access that folder. Just tap Allow. That's just Obsidian making sure it can save your files properly, and that's it. You're in. This is your vault, totally empty right now. To make your first note, just click Create New Note at the middle. Everything you type here saves automatically as a Markdown file. No save button, no stress. Just start typing and it's already stored. And that's really all it takes to get Obsidian running on your phone. In the next video, I'll show you how to sync this vault across your devices, so stay tuned. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.